Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to online class. Dear learners, I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Musharraf Hussain, Assistant Teacher English, Nong 5 Union, Jahanara High School, Madarganj, Jamalpur. Dear students, today I am going to take a class for the students of class 9, English second paper on tag question. Dear students, you know tag question is an important topic in English second paper. So at first we have to know what is tag question. A tag question is a special construction in English. It is a statement followed by a mini question or short question, and it is attached or tagged at the end of a sentence. We use tag question to ask for confirmation. They mean something like, is that right, or do you agree? They are common in English, especially speaking English. The basic structure of a tag question is, if the statement is affirmative, for affirmative statement, the tag question will be negative. I am giving an example. He is a student. Dear students, this is an affirmative statement. There is a subject and verb. Subject is he and verb is, and it is the affirmative statement. The tag question is he and the auxiliary verb is, and we have to add nt with auxiliary verb, and this is the answer of this statement. If the statement is negative statement, the tag question will be affirmative tag. Affirmative tag. I am giving another example. She was not going to school. The tag question will be, there is a subject is she and the auxiliary verb is was, and there is negative form not. So only auxiliary verb we have to use, and we should not add nt because this is the negative statement. So it is clear, if we find affirmative statement, the tag question will be negative form, and if the statement is in negative form, the tag question will be in affirmative form. We have to know the negative form and its contracted form. Okay, dear students, there are many auxiliary verbs, and we have to know the negative form with auxiliary verb, and we should know the contracted form of the auxiliary verb, such as am not equal to aren't. This is the negative, full negative form, and it is the contracted form. Is not, isn't. Are not, aren't. Was not, wasn't, were not, weren't. I am writing other auxiliary verb. Do not, don't. The contracted form of do not is don't. Did not, didn't, does not, doesn't, have not, haven't, has not, hasn't, had not, hadn't. These are the contracted form of this negative form. There are modal auxiliary. We should know the contracted form of the modal auxiliary verb. Okay. Shall not. The contracted form is shan't. Will not. Won't. Cannot. Can't. Could not. Couldn't. May not. Mayn't. Might not. Mightn't. Okay, follow this contracted form. Must not, mustn't. Need not, needn't. Dare not, daren't. Not, used not, usn't, ought not, oughtn't, ought not, oughtn't. Dear students, these are the full form of negative and this is the contracted form of the negative verb. Okay, you have to know this negative and contracted form. We use contracted form in the tag question. We use only contracted form. We should not use negative, full negative form in the tag question. I am giving some example. They are my friends. Okay, dear students, you can see that they is subject and are is auxiliary verb, and this is the affirmative statement. So we have to use negative tag they, and are is aren't. This is the answer. We use anti, that is negative form, in this tag question. I am giving another example. She works hard. Dear students, you can see that there is no auxiliary verb in this sentence. So if we do not find any auxiliary verb in a sentence, we should use do not, does not, did not. So you can see that there is a subject she, and if we find the main verb with s or es form, so we should use doesn't, and this is the answer. But if we find that the main verb is in past form, he went to Dhaka. This main verb is in past form, so we have to use, this is the subject he, we have to use did, and it is the affirmative statement, so we have to add anti for negative tag question. Okay, is it clear to you? We have to know some negative words. The negative words are no, not, never, nothing, nobody, no one, none, few, seldom, hardly, barely. We can write little. Okay, dear students, these are the negative word. If we find this word in a statement, we should not use negative tag in answer. Okay, dear students, for understanding I am giving an example. I do not like him. This is the negative statement, there is not, so we have to use only auxiliary verb and subject. I, do I. This is the answer. I am giving another example for understanding. There is a little water in the pond. Dear students, we know that little is negative, but If we find a little, it is not negative, it is affirmative. So answer will be isn't there. If we find there is little water in the glass. Okay, dear students, there is a difference between a little and only little. Only little is negative, but a little is not negative. It is considered as affirmative. So it is not, it is little is negative, so we have to use only is there. It is the answer. Another example, she hardly goes to school. Dear students, we know hardly is negative, so we should use only auxiliary verb. We should not add anti with the auxiliary verb. She is subject and goes, it is the main verb. So if we find main verb in the statement, we should use do, does, did. We have to use does. It is the answer, does she, because there is a negative word in this statement. It is the answer. I am giving other example for understanding. A barking dog seldom bites. In this sentence, there is a negative word. Seldom is negative. We consider seldom as negative. A barking dog is subject and its pronoun will be he or it. I am writing as a pronoun it, and bites is the main verb. If we find the main verb, we should use do, does, did. So does it, it is the answer, because there is a negative word in this sentence. It is the answer of this statement. Next, if we find everybody, anybody, somebody, nobody as subject, if we find these words as subject, we should use they as pronoun. I am giving an example for understanding. Everybody likes me, and this is the subject, so we have to use subject they, and this is the singular verb, but in the tag question the subject is in plural form, so we have to use do, does, did, and we know that the verb will be plural form with they. Do not, don't they, because there is no auxiliary verb in this sentence, so we have to use do not, does not, did not. It is the answer of this statement. if we find something, anything, everything, nothing as subject, we should use it as pronoun. I am giving an example. Nothing is impossible. So the answer will be nothing. There is a subject, nothing, we should use it instead of nothing, and there is auxiliary verb is, we should use is. Okay, dear students, in this sentence there is a negative word, so we should not add anti in the tag question. So it is the answer of the tag question. The next, if we find as a subject all of us, some of us, many of us, as a subject we should use we as a pronoun. I am giving an example. Some of us went there. The answer will be as a pronoun. If we find all of us, some of us, many of us, the pronoun will be we, and this is the main verb, and there is no auxiliary verb in this statement. This is the main verb, so we should use do, does, did, and it is the past form of the verb, so we should use did, and there is no negative word in this sentence, so we should use anti, and it is the answer of this tag question. Okay, dear students, now I am giving you some homework. You should practice your homework at home. Rohim wrote an SMS. Number B, barking dogs seldom bite. Number C, everybody loves flower. Number D, she hardly goes to school. Number E, help the poor. Okay, dear students, these 5 tag questions are for your homework. I will take another class in another day. No more today. Goodbye.